Good morning, students. In this lecture, I want to evaluate these integrations by using calculator, students. By using calculator. See the first one, students. Integral 0 to 1 x dx. X dx. Now see, students, here we have integral here. This button is integration. So you press integration button, students. Here we get here integral bracket, students. Bracket. Now we have here x, students. So for the x, you press alpha and see this button, students. Here we have capital X. So you press the button, students. You get capital X there. And then you press comma, students. Comma. What is lower limit, students? 0. So press 0. Again comma, students. What is upper limit, students? 1. So press 1, students. Bracket close. Bracket close, students. Press is equal to, we get here directly 0.5. So the value is 0.5. Similarly, see the second problem, students. Second problem, integral 0 to 6. Again press integration button, students. Integration button. Now this time we have fraction, students. Fraction. So 1 divided by, you put 1 plus x in the bracket, students. 1 plus x means again alpha x, students. Alpha x. Now this time close bracket for 1 plus x, and there is another bracket, students. Plus another bracket. Now before going to the bracket, we have to apply lower and upper limit, students. So comma, what is lower limit? 0, comma, upper limit, students, 6. So press 6. Close bracket, students, small bracket. Press is equal to 1, students. Sorry, press is equal to, we get directly here, students. The value is 1.9459. And third one, students. Third one. See, again press integration. Here we have e power minus x square, students. Shift ln, students. We get e minus x square, students. Minus x square. So minus, again for x, press alpha x, students. Alpha x. And see, students, we have x square here. X square. Okay, students. Again comma. What is lower limit, students? 0. What is upper limit, students? Again comma. 2. Bracket close. Press is equal to, we get here 0.882, students. 0.882. See, by using calculators, we can easily evaluate this definite integration, students. What is the use? We can check our answer, students. We can easily evaluate the integration, students. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.